Today, we're going through how to recover a Loom video stuck in processing. We're gonna go through the 4 things you need to do if it's stuck like you.
And we got a free cheat sheet for you. If you want to learn how to cheat on that exam, on that SAT to get into Harvard, then this is what you got to do. If you want to easily figure out what type of video training is right for you and for your learners, you will learn that in 5 minutes or less. It is linked below. Go check out that free cheat.
Number 1. It's this simple. Use the Loom Desktop App to record. There are a lot of benefits of using the Loom Desktop App. This is probably the greatest benefit. If you're using the Loom Chrome extension, wave your video stuck in processing goodbye. Because if you're not using the desktop app, then your computer isn't backing up the recording. But when you use the Loom Desktop app, it is. And that brings us to the rest of the process, huh, Hector?
Yes, so the second point is check.
We got a comment probably 2 or 3 months
Your
before you saw
video
this, where someone said that we need to lay off the caffeine. Well, if you're out there, this is for you.
All right, I spelled that right, I think. So check video recovery status. There is a link that we have that you can see right here somewhere, where if you click on this link, you will be able to check your video recovery.
Exactly, you're gonna go check on the status on the Loom website. We got a link below for you to go check on the status, and we'll show you right here. We're showing you what it looks like. So you can go check the status.
Johnny, what's number 3?
Number 3 is you gotta locate the missing parts. Okay? In the link that you see below, it's gonna tell you.
Where? On your computer.
Exactly. So Loom creates a temporary file on your computer that will have the parts of the video that you're recording that's stuck in processing. You're gonna get those missing parts, and then number 4, you're gonna send those missing parts to Loom using the link below. Then they're gonna take those missing parts, they're gonna assemble it into your video that was stuck in processing, and now it is no longer stuck in processing. They'll tell you how long it's gonna take, and then voila, everything is Gucci.
And remember, we have a free checklist for you that is linked below. If you are looking to figure out what is the best video style for the trainings for you and your learners, you will figure that out in that free cheat sheet link below. We'll see you there.
Thank you for the likes and subscribes.
Computer!